and I can going to show you the backlink nature. So you guys can see this is a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication, there is no any indication for the no follow or the no referral. This is a 100% do follow web 2.0 backlink. Hello guys, my name is Parve Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we have to create a web 2.0 backlink. Okay. So this website can providing a do follow, high quality and instant approval backlink. So you guys are able to see this website having a 90 plus domain rating. And now I'm going to show you the website traffic. So you guys can see the website traffic is this website having a 942.5k total visitors, and you guys can see the traffic geographical country targeting. You guys can see the traffic from Netherlands, Belgium, France, USA and UK. This website having a traffic from that kind of country, so you guys can want to attract and you guys can want to build a brand awareness from that kind of country. So you guys have to create a backlink from that website. The website name is guwweb.nl. Okay, so we have completed the all research process. So now we can going to move forward for the login and the sign up. So you guys can see this website, the website interface, and now you guys have to click for the start now. On there you guys can choose according to your requirement. I can going to choose select a blog category. Then you guys have to click continue button where you guys can put your title. I have choose my company brand name. Then I can going to click for the continue. Then you guys can fill your login details. Then you guys can click for the start now, and you guys can select your language according to your requirement. I'm selected English, and there you guys can select a template. So I can select a template, a first one, and there you guys can choose your brand name. If you guys are able to purchase this link, then you guys have to do, otherwise you guys can click choose this option. You guys can choose this option. Okay, so I have clicked. Then you guys have to click there is a total 4 options, so you guys have to click a free now. Choose a package, free package. We can going to choose free package. There you guys can add your company details. You guys can choose your targeted country. We want to audience from Canada. We have selected. Then you guys have to click for the next step. I guess they can asking you for the payment and other method. Then we can ignore these things. Now you guys have to click choose another package and plan. We have selected. Then what we have to do? Previously I have checked these things, but they haven't asked me for the any another data verification, address data. Address name, house number. Okay, and now we can ignore these things because we don't want to pay anything. We have chosen a free package. Let me check. We can ignore these things. Now we can start. Then you guys have to click your my account option, and there is a option to you guys have to click a break, and where you guys can found your editing option. So you guys have to optimize your requirement. If you guys can want to remove this banner, we can also do. Okay, we can change, if is there any option, title. We can upload a banner image from our gallery. So you guys can see that our banner is updated now. What we have to do, we can going to add a logo. Sorry. There is a logo option. You guys can click your mouse left button, a double click. Then you guys can upload your logo directly from your desktop. Okay, so we have added these things. What we have to do, we can going to add a blog option. You guys can test your things, because this website can providing, we have chosen a blog option. And now you guys, we can add something. We can ignore these things. Now I can going to add, and I can going to add also a text, where we can take a backlink. We can convert into normal text. Then we can going to add, we can going to copy from our website. Can I generate? I can going to generate a fresh content for our backlink purpose. So we can going to prompt, we can generate a prompt from Cloudy AI, any kind of content, AI content generation tool. You guys can choose according to your convenient. I am using a Cloudy AI and the Chat GPT, because and the frequently I'm using a Cloudy AI, because these AI can providing a fresh and the very precise content. So that's why I'm using this one, this AI tool for the content generation. So these take a might a couple of time for the login. So before I can going to copy my all targeted keywords. Best recruiters in Canada, recruitment agency in Canada. I can provide you with a keyword. The keyword is this. I have put in a inverted comma, then and company name, clean recruiters. You have to generate company description. This is my prompt for the company profile description generation. We can going to add some another prompt for the better content optimization. Our founded year is 2015. And our targeted country is, targeted city sorry. Location. My target location is Maple Ridge, Cutlam, Richmond, Vancouver, and Surrey. This is my targeted location, and I wanted to generate a content according to my location. So that's why I have put another prompt. And if I can want, then I can also add my targeted services, because we are providing another services also, recruitment services. So I'm just created this content according for the your, you guys can aware how I am generating a content. We have put it this content, a recruitment agency in Canada. If you can going to take backlink from this keyword, BK9BS. You guys have to choose a second option where you guys can put your targeted uh, URL where you guys can want for the backlink. Then you guys have to click a green button. So you guys can see we have added a one link on that content, and you guys can optimize according to your requirement. There is also option for the a blog publishing. So we have to you guys can optimize according to your requirement. So now we can going to click for the public son, where you guys can choose also a subdomain name, keys DLT address, because this website are having another address, another language. So that's why. So we can going to open this URL for the next tab. You guys can copy before a question mark URL, and you guys, I can show you in an incognito tab. This web 2.0 backlink is live or not. So you guys can see this is 100% instant approval backlink, and I can going to show you the backlink nature. So you guys can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication, no any, there is no any indication for the no follow or the no referral. This is 100% do follow web 2.0 backlink. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, so you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. If you guys can want to create any separate video for the any topic, so you guys can also share your confusion topics. So I can going to create any plan for the video creation. And if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching. And the last thing I wanted to request with you guys one thing. So if you guys can want to help me something, or if you guys can want to connect with me, so you guys can hit the subscribe button and like button, because these things can motivating me to create a rapidly videos, any other things also, and the research process. So you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe button. And for the last thing, thanks for the watching guys, and bye bye, take care.